Hi there, hope you're doing well. So this is the dashboard that I'm planning to give you, and so I'll start with the data sheet and then we can go ahead. So I'll give you two files, one with the dashboard and another file without the dashboard, so that sheet will be like kind of hidden. So you can actually use the same file basically. So the database is with you. Okay, so this is the data that we have. And please note, anything in here, this colored cell has formulas which look at the date and it goes over that. So the name of the person, you can put anything you want. Generally this will be the same for each person who uses the file, so it wouldn't change, so they can just drag it. And of course the date, you can go ahead and enter any number of data for a same day and so on. And of course we have the drop downs, you can go ahead and choose whatever drop downs you want right here. And then we have status and supervisors and drop downs and everything's right here. And the hours, I just put it so that if they want to split and know an exact percentage of how much they want in a year, in a day, they can do that. I didn't put any restrictions because if I put restrictions, you'll have like a lot of challenges around what to put and everything. So for example, let's say you have a plan, let's say it says 8 hours they should work only that. So how do you know if they work if it's more and everything? But generally I would believe that's something that you can take care of it like in the process while updating it. So that's that. With respect to the month and the week and the year, you can go ahead and use it. So you can just get this file, and when they send the file to you, you may want to go to the last row, like click here, copy only the contents and then paste values. That's the thing, don't paste the complete thing, just paste values when you copy paste. Now all of these data and the drop down, things are powered by the drop down, so if you go ahead and add any new things here, they will automatically get updated here. But please note that anything if you edit, obviously that it will not be updated back directly. So for example, let's say if I edit incomplete here and just put test, okay, and you can see that the data still remains incomplete is there, but the test will be changed in the drop down. So that's one thing you need to know. The existing data will not change, it's just the only the drop downs will have new data. Now coming to the dashboard, it's pretty simple as how you do it. So once you copy paste it, all that you need to do is just click on refresh. All the data, all the charts and everything will automatically get refreshed and updated here. Now all of these charts are required to have numbers. So when you scroll to the right, you have all your tables. That is just for reference. If you want, you can always check that. And the charts what you see here are bound data to that. And this dashboard is pretty dynamic dashboard, so if you want to go ahead and kind of use this dashboard say for multiple things, you may always choose to do that. For example, let's say you wanted to go ahead and see for a specific employee, so let's click on Jack, and your respective information and everything will automatically get updated. So that's the thing. So let me see here if it is updated. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing. Now you can also go ahead and update, drill down further, like click on this further, multiple drill downs can also happen. And when you click remove the status, it will remove. Same thing, if you want to go ahead and see for 6 months data, you may choose to do so, and whatever it's there, it just keeps updating at the back right here. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. If you have like more number of years, this will automatically have the number of years, and you can go ahead and populate here. Let me know if there are any other changes, I'll be happy to assist. So that's pretty much where we are. So just to review the charts, we have the status versus the person name, and then you have your number of hours of each of them, like totally. If you actually, again, if you select a specific status, this will get automatically updated. Department for everyone right now, because I haven't selected anything on top. This one gives you the status, employee status as well. So and then we have your tools count and as well as supervisors versus the status count here. Okay, so hope it makes sense. Let's discuss if there are any other changes before ordering. I'll be happy to assist. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.